You know it's me who cries. You know it's me who cries. Allegri season. Allergy season. Well, I never been to Spain, but I kinda like the music. Say the ladies are insane there, and they sure know how to use it. They don't abuse it. They're never gonna lose it. I can't refuse it. Oh my God, it's already hot. Well, I've never been to England, but I kinda like the Beatles. So I headed for Las Vegas. Only made it out to Needles. They got the feeling. I must be real. I can't refuse it. Yeah. Well, I never been to Spain. I'm sorry, but I actually could. Well, I never been to Spain, to keep it un-Elvis. So I kind of like them. Ooh, my voice is like, I'm gonna have to abort mission. Forgive me for that awful second. Thank you.